Hi there, this is Keerthana. I'm currently in my third year of engineering in REVA University. I'm glad to share that I have taken Python course in IntrnForte, where the teachings are very student friendly. Two projects were given in this course. Project 1 is Random Password Generator and Project 2 is Hangman Game. Coming to Project 1, that is Random Password Generator, it allows the users to specify the length of the desired password, whether to include uppercase letters or lowercase letters or digits. The program generates the password based on these preferences, ensuring both random and secure. The Python built-in modules, that is random and string, is used in this program. Error handling of length validation and character type validation is implemented in this program. Coming to Project 2, that is Hangman Game. The game, it selects a random word from the predefined list. The player has to guess the letters of the game within the limited number of attempts. The key features of this Project 2 is random word selection. The Python built-in module, random, it selects a word from the predefined list. The game's ability to display the current status of the word with the guessed letters and unguessed letters to provide the clear feedback to the player. The main game loop effectively handles the user inputs, updates the game status and checks the win or loss conditions. Thank you.